I hope you're getting this, because
And the coefficient of Q is 1, so it's have to equal 1 divided by. Right? That's Q. Yeah.
How did you get the intercept as 122.7712 again?
We start with the original intercept.
Yeah.
Right? And then we add to it this with n equals 5, which is this number. And then we add also this with PC equals 35, which is this number. So we add this number, that number, and this number together, we get that. Got it?
Can you show you finished the P then?
How we get P separated?
Yeah, can you just click on the 76 to show where you got that from?
Let me just show you algebraically, then I'll click on it. We have Q equals 122.7712 minus 1.61205
Believe it.
Minus.
Better if you actually
3241P.
1
Now we want to solve this for P in terms of Q. So we bring this over to the other side. We have 1.6.
Is yours negative?
1205324 P is equal to 122.712 minus Q. You follow that?
I got it.
And now we divide both sides by 1.6.
doing algebra, right?
That's how you get that number. Good. So now we have an equation for the demand function. So now we'll draw the demand function. Very bad as a Q. I want to copy this demand function. Go to sheet 2. Over here.
What is your deal?
What other demand?
Or you just
I'm going to set up with Q. I will start with 0. And we'll increment it by
How many Saturdays, right?
it's up to 6.
Hmm? Oh. Oh, okay.
And now we'll say set up P.
Yeah, sure. Family will take care of you.
So that's going to be equal to
Like too many good people in the world left.
76.1583
Somebody told me once.
minus
My building.
point
You see that in my building for almost
2
something.
0 327 times Q. And now we'll just drag this one. We can drag this down a little further.
Sorry. Did you get that?
I don't know where that ticket's.
This is really one.
I think we got that.
How far are we going now?
All the way down.
Right there.
Easy now.
Now let's put this in dollars and cents. So if the company sells at $76.16, they won't be able to sell any of it. If they drop the price to 73.06, they'll be able to sell 5,000.
Mm.
If they drop to 69, they'll be able to sell 10,000. So on. If you get to 48, they'll sell 45,000. So on. So we'll draw this now. Insert. Got it.
Ah.
There's our demand.
You have 80 people.
Goes up a little bit. Now we'll dress it up a little bit. Heading on this, the banker, look over here. So this is, put a D here for demand. Now, let's go to the axes.
Oh, no.
Quantity.
Hmm?
Right. Now let's give it a few more points. Yeah. And now we have a very nice picture.
I think if ever wanted to punch a computer screen more than it is right now. It's like Excel here is like, you know, fuck this.
Well, we can see,
It's not
if we
working.
give out a price of 70, we sell, we should also say the units are the quantity, times the, times that. What do they sell? Sorry? I kind of like working team. So there we are. So this way we can see what happens. If we come out with a price of $70 a piece, we'll sell 10,000. Come out with a price of 40 a piece, we'll come out with about somewhere close to 60,000. So, if we sell for $20 a piece, we'll be able to sell 90,000. Now, who can tell me how we figure out the quantity that this firm should sell, produce?
I do.
Yeah.
I believe.
How do we tell what the firm should do? How are they gonna determine what price that they should come out with? And how many they'll sell?
It depends on the firm, right? If it's
What does it
monopoly
depend
or,
upon? Their profit, right?
right,
And what do the profits depend upon? Marginal cost.
margin cost, yes.
We have to know two things, marginal revenue and marginal
I
cost.
like that, you're just gonna say what he
But
said.
now, I'm gonna show you how to put a marginal revenue function.
Sweet try.
Here's the marginal revenue. So the marginal revenue function is just like the it's just like the demand function. The only difference is this coefficient over here you gotta multiply by 2. So let's do for marginal revenue. This remains the same. And here we put equals 2 times that. And that's your marginal revenue, right? So now we can put the marginal revenue curve. Equal to 7, 6, 1583 minus 1.24 0, 654 times U. Write that down. Stop right there. All right? So that's the marginal revenue function. Let's take a look at it. Yeah, that's perfect. We're right in between. Right? Now, what we really have to know now is what the marginal cost function is. So let's suppose that we have a fixed marginal cost for this range. The marginal cost is fixed, it's not a curve, it's a fixed margin, right? So let's plot this and then we'll look at fixed marginal cost. What the price should be. Right? First let's do one. So let's suppose the marginal cost is $15. So $15 to produce this. Well, that's the margin. where the marginal cost is equal to marginal revenue, somewhere in between. That'll do it for price.
That would be the price, right?
Now, it's gonna be between 45 and 50.
That would be, would you do equal to?
Now, let's take a stab at it. Let's say 46. That's too much. Right. 49. $15.37, that's very close. A little bit higher. We'll take $48.75.
75.
Probably a little too high.
It's taking us away.
$49.45. $49.
60.
1537. Okay. 49.2. Very close, all right? That's close enough.
49.21.
49.21.
Nice.
Middle of 15. So we know that when the price is $49.29, we'll maximize our profit. Right? That's the marginal cost.
That's the quantity though, right? When the quantities,
I mean, with the quantity, yeah. But that'll make the marginal revenue equal. That quantity, marginal revenue equal marginal cost. This quantity, 49.29. The price will be 45.58.
so that's what you sell at.
That's the price that we should sell. And that'll reduce 49.29 quantity. We'll look at it.
All right. Divide in kilograms.
Now let's move this chart.
Is it coffee, right? Drinks it off, that's why I'm not here.
Every time I have to like coffee with the cognac.
Yeah, it's nice. I want to speak to you before you go to China, okay? Couple of things I want to talk to you. Is it okay? Where are you living? Hmm? Yes, it's fine, coming back. Yeah. Well, whilst you're there, there are a couple of things you got to check out. Yeah, let me give you one. Oh my God. I used to be the black bank 2 years ago. Now, I just put myself on my
Like that.
Couldn't take it, man. Non-hacker. Got to.
Are you doing this?
And now we'll,
Mine left eye side.
you probably could go like 5.
Basically, that's what you're gonna be there for 4 months.
Grasshopper.
I think he hears
And then you come back here.
Makes me worried.
Or you can get
Beating the crap out of people.
So, you know, you can meet people.
Here's the module cost.
Anything.
Get a dark
Never
color.
from actual. That's what I've been doing for the past 16 years. Well, you know, every role is something like that.
What a nice
Road
red.
export. Any kind of financial. Finance, business finance.
And now,
I used to be one of the right now, but I did that, you know, one of the investment banking. And I have a lot of friends, you see, who are hired back in a lot of countries. That is, I know 3 people who are ex-presidents. Zambia, Kenya, Uganda, and so, it's really long, but now it's really not, you know, it would be, you know, on time.
that's the main.
What about you? Actually, I have a card.
Now, what module cost?
You didn't give me a card. Nice.
I have an email. I don't even. I do have an email.
I checked.
No, it's not a question, it's not professional.
That tells us that they should make roughly 50 of these. And that'll maximize,
You know,
that'll maximize profit. Now, over here, it tells us the price they have to come out with, about $45. The only thing that remains to be known is what the average total cost is. If we know what the average total cost, then we can work out what the profit. But when the marginal cost is fixed, so is the average total cost. So you can work out the profit here. This is 15. This goes up to 45. The difference is 30. And then you do 30 times 50. It's $150,000. Okay. So you see the connection now between regression, estimating the demand function, and solving the economic problem. All ties the whole works together. If you get hired by a firm as an economist, and you're working at the micro level, and they want to know what the demand function is for their products, what you have to do is first of all get some data from the accountants. And you get your accountant to give you this data. The number of units sold, the price that they sold for it, the market size, the competitive price. Get all that information. Then you go out and you estimate your demand function. And then you try to make estimates about what the competitor is going to come out with and the size of the market, and you adjust your coefficient over there. The B0 coefficient, the intercept. And then you have the demand function. Now this might be one demand function. You might try scenarios on competitive prices. There's several of them. You can get a range of these. But this is how you do this thing. Okay. So I think that's about all we're going to do this semester. Just wind up the semester with this. When we meet on the 18th, now next week we have to meet, we'll start reviewing. We'll do all the stuff that we did. And on the 18th, we'll have a short course, we'll have a short class before the exam. For about an hour, maybe less. So we'll have to do that. Yeah. Next class, I'll review everything. For the final.
Next class is next week. And then after that, the Wednesday after that, that's when the exam.
If we have a conflict
Tuesday or Wednesday?
with another class,
Do you have one?
I believe I do. I have a class on Tuesday evenings, the final night of Wednesday.
Is it, will it be in this room?
I'm sorry.
Will it be in this room, the final?
No, it's a class at Roseville.
Oh, it's at the Rose Hill. Well, if there, I'll make a special, if you have a conflict, then I'll have to give you a special room.
Okay.
If anybody else has a conflict, find out for me next time.
Tuesday like that.
Your exam will be different than the rest of the class.
Okay.
You get it from
I think I have a similar problem.
Or if you have that conflict, do that. For the people who have conflict, we'll find another day to do the exam.
But I'll make sure and I'll tell you if there is.
You're not even sure?
But there will be a different exam for people who have conflict.
Guess what, I don't have a conflict for this class, but I do have a conflict for another class.
All right, then I'll start the review now.
This week, this Tuesday, is the review. Next Tuesday is the exam.
Oh,
So it's not a conflict. I mean, if you were, what's the
And we ended up in microeconomics. We began in microeconomics.
what's the time of the
So we'll start reviewing with microeconomics.
sorry, that's our final paper.
We signed for something else. So, I'll email you.
You didn't know you had a conflict? You didn't know?